Today date is 5th. Date is 5th 1 2021. Date is here and subject is GSC. Subject GSC. And class 4th A. Class 4th A. So we are studying lesson 16. Lesson 16, clean and green earth. Lesson 16, clean and green earth. Clean and green earth. In this lesson, we are studying before pre-reading questions. Look at the pictures given. Which one do you like? 3 pictures are given. See the pictures. This is the picture. 3 pictures are this. First picture, second picture, third picture, and fourth picture. 4 pictures are given. So which one do you like? Which one do you like? This one is the, this one is the, this one is the, or this one is the. Anyone? I think that you like the picture which is very clean. What things do we get from trees? What things do we get from the trees? You know what things we are getting from the trees? We are getting food from the trees. We are getting the pure air from the trees. You know that the trees have the leaves and they purify the air. They use this carbon dioxide during process of photosynthesis and they release the oxygen. And plants also provide us the food, shelter, clothes, furniture, and so many things plant provide us. What paper you are using for the writing? This is also obtained from the plants. So we are discussing in this lesson. So aim of studying this lesson to enable the students to understand the need to keep the environment clean. What is aim of studying this lesson? To enable the students to first understand the need to keep the environment clean. Second, to aware the causes of environmental pollution. So first, would aim to enable the students to understand the need to keep the environment clean and be aware of the causes of environmental pollution. So what is the aim of studying this lesson? So aim to enable the students to enable the students to number one understand the number one to understand the need to keep the environment clean, and second to aware of the to be aware of the causes of environmental pollution. So these are the aims of studying this lesson. So first one aim to enable the students to first understand the need to keep the environment clean, and second to aware of the causes of environmental pollution. So starting the reading. Our planet Earth is known as the green planet. This Earth is also known as the green planet. So our planet Earth is known as green planet. It is the most beautiful planet in the universe. Keeping our Earth clean and green is essential to keep ourselves healthy and disease free. To keep ourselves healthy and disease free, it is necessary to keep our planet neat and clean. But nowadays we do not care about cleanliness of our environment and neglect to keep our green planet clean. We need land, air and water to live, but the air is being polluted by the smoke of vehicles and factories. You know that our environment get polluted due to the human activities. He used the vehicles, he has factories, motors. These release a huge amount of the harmful gases which pollute the environment. Water is being polluted by disposing of garbage and the sewage at the sources of water. Land and soil are polluted when chemical fertilizers and pesticides are overused by the farmers. You know that nowadays farmers are using a huge amount of the chemicals to increase the production of agricultural crops. So they are not knowing that how they are harming the nature. What fertilizers are used, what chemicals are used, they harm our the nature. Some chemicals are used for the killing the pest. These chemicals persist for a long time in the nature and pollute the environment. So God blessed us. Very important thing is there. God blessed us with this wonderful planet to live. It is our responsibility to keep the earth clean and save the planet. What we can do? The question arises, what we can do for saving our planet? Do not litter. Do not litter. It pollutes the environment as well as the soil. Throwing garbage in the dustbin helps to keep the environment clean. So we should throw the all the things not here or there, but keep the things, waste materials, garbage in the dustbin. Now second, minimize the use of the plastics. Minimize the use of plastic. It is very harmful for us. Take a paper bag or a jute bag for shopping. Generally, we are going to market or purchasing these things for the marketing. We do not carry the bags. We take the polythene bags from the shopkeepers. So we have to minimize the use of the plastic bags. We should carry the cotton or the jute bags to purchase the things. Next, reduce the amount of the waste. Next is we should reduce the amount of the waste. Next, reuse the things which you can instead of throwing them away. Next, some items like plastics, paper, metals can be used again by the recycling them. So do not throw them as the garbage. Get them to the junk dealer, that is the kabadi wala. So we should, because many things are the recycled, the papers, plastics, etc., etc., metallic things, we should sell them to the kabadi wala where they can reuse. Turn off electric lights and the water taps after use, and limit use of car, use public transport. So that's for today. Next day we will discuss more. Thank you. That's all.